Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We're starting off with another dreary day ahead of us with conditions very much the same as we saw yesterday, and we can expect a similar day as yesterday as well as we continue throughout our Tuesday. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we still have a boundary just off the coast with plenty of low cloud in the area, but otherwise high pressure dominating most of the region. We will see that high pressure start to move out of the area as a coastal low will make a close approach, and that will allow some onshore flow. Otherwise, we had this boundary well off to the west that will be moving into the area as we get into the later part of the day tomorrow, bringing us some extra cloud cover, but we'll see things clearing out behind that. Take a look at current conditions. As of 8 a.m. this morning, we have overcast deck around 200 feet with some slightly reduced visibilities with some mist around in the area. Winds out of the northwest, light at 3 knots, temperature around 58 degrees, relative humidity at 90%. Take a look at the local radar. At the moment, we see just a few showers passing, but staying off the coast at the moment. And then if we look at the current visible satellite, we can see over most of the eastern mid-Atlantic, plenty of low cloud, pretty well locked in over the region. So expecting that to continue as we go throughout the day, similar to what we saw yesterday with some misty and slight chance of seeing some drizzle in the area as well. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today, not expecting any significant precip, but we will have that chance of misty conditions as well as very slight chance of seeing some drizzling conditions as we go throughout the day and into the evening this evening. And as we get into tomorrow, we'll see those low clouds should break up as we go throughout the day today, and then we'll have that boundary start to approach the area. It's going to bring us a very slight chance of seeing a few showers, particularly in the late afternoon into the evening, but for the most part looking pretty dry. As you can see, just some isolated showers possible, but probably less than 15% chance of us seeing some showers here at Wallops, as other models are showing things a little on the drier side. And then behind that front, we'll see things clear out. Clouds will start to break up a bit. We'll get a slight breeze behind the front with just slightly cooler air. So if we take a look at the short-term 24-hour weather risk chart, main risk for today will be those low ceilings and visibilities continue with orange as we go throughout the day and into the morning hours. For our Wednesday, otherwise expecting a slightly warmer day today. Temperatures climbing up into the mid to upper 60s with a high around 68 expected. We'll see those light winds shift more northeasterly to easterly as we go throughout the day today, and then becoming southeasterly for the morning hours Wednesday. Expecting a low just around 60 degrees with those low clouds now allowing temperatures to really drop too much. But otherwise, stored today, expecting overcast conditions to continue with those low clouds, similar to yesterday with that on and off misty conditions and that very slight chance of seeing some light drizzle as well, continuing throughout the day and into the morning hours of our Wednesday. Tides are running slightly above normal at the moment. If we take a look at the next couple of days, Wednesday expecting to start off overcast with those low clouds, but then we'll see those clouds start to break, becoming mostly cloudy with periods of partly cloudiness as well. But otherwise, we'll see the clouds build back in as that boundary gets a little bit closer, and then we'll have that very slight chance of some light rain showers passing through with that boundary later in the day and into the evening. Otherwise, just a slight breeze with a high of 73, and going into the evening, we'll have that very slight chance of a light rain shower early and mostly cloudy. And then as that boundary moves out of here, we'll see some cloud. We'll see the clouds start to decrease overnight, becoming slightly breezy for Thursday morning, and a low expected around 54. And then as we go into Thursday, we'll expect a nice day, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, but it'll be slightly breezy for our Thursday with winds generally out of the north-northwest. Expecting a high around 69 for our Thursday. Otherwise, green across the board for weather risk with just those very slight chances of precip in there with that frontal passage. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.